Challenge time! That's right. Today I want to start a 30-day challenge. Now, at the end of this challenge, you're not going to have a six-pack abs or a beautiful new girlfriend, but you might be able to change your life and change the way you invest your money and the way you, think about trading. So, if all that sounds good, let's dive right in. I got my coffee. Let's go get some Bitcoin.
Love it or hate it, Bitcoin, the most, fantastic investment opportunity of our lifetime. Now, this is the very original cryptocurrency. This started it all. It makes mainstream news every single day. They are literally putting in Bitcoin ATMs all over the world, making it easier and easier for people to access their Bitcoin. Now, I'm not knocking Ethereum and the shitcoins, but today I want to start with Bitcoin. The number one question I get from new users or people responding to my channel is, what is a good trading pair? How should I set up my grid trading bot? What are the parameters? What should I do? I'm going to break that down for you in this video. Now, I've been talking with Mario, who is one of the developers of Primex, and he sent this long-term grid bot strategy. In 20 days, he was able to start his bot and secure 40% returns. Now, this is not guaranteed. No one knows the future. No one knows what the market's going to do. But he invested $20,000, left it running for 20 days. In 20 days, grid profit alone, he secured 12.26. That is phenomenal. Now, he can withdraw the grid profit from the bot and leave the bot running. So, if he was to stop the bot right now, yes, he could secure an additional 29.22%, or he could just leave this running. Now, while we leave it running, well, if you look down here, his range is $2,000 to $20,000. So he was able to just continue to leave this bot running. Now, most people would have jumped all over this, closed the bot. Well, if you look over here, this was back when Bitcoin was $7,246. So we jump ahead to today. Wow, 15,000. Remember, that was 7,000. This is now $15,000. And looks like it has no plan of slowing down. If you've been paying attention to the news, Bitcoin is on a rampage. It's in total bull market. So we are seeing things that we haven't seen before since 2017. Now, am I saying there's not going to be crazy dips? No, there will be. It's Bitcoin. But you're setting your grid range so wide, it's okay. It's not going to affect you. You're just going to buy the dip and sell the top. I'm going to give you 5 reasons. Now, you can fix the issue that you can't hold your Bitcoin. Most traders buy and they're influenced by emotion. So they see a nice, juicy, small profit and they go ahead and take it, when in reality, if they had just held it, they could have made double, triple their investment. But, you did make profit, but only if you had held on to your Bitcoin instead of trading it for that small profit. So you're putting away human emotion, you're taking away the greed, you're taking away all the things that make you have poor judgment. Now, one characteristic of the grid trading bot is, as long as Bitcoin is within your trading range. So over here we're going to use $6,000 as our low and $60,000 as our high. And as long as it stays within our parameters, it is constantly going to buy the dips and sell the tops and allow us to make, profits, but make it in a very long-term way where we really can, double, triple our investment. So you're no longer going to be chasing the market. Now, do you find yourself chasing the market? Sitting here spending hours trying to read indicators, trying to learn all the different, key volume here, but look, it's pumping here, but I don't know, there's a lot of sell pressure. Do you sit here and find yourself buying in and selling for small profits? You're no longer going to be sitting here looking, saying, man, it's already way up here, I don't know if I should get in. And you get in and then it dips. So you're no longer going to be chasing the market. You're no longer going to be worried about that because it's automatically going to buy low and sell high for you. Now, it really does take all the irrationality out of trading. It takes away all the human emotion, the fear, the greed, the what if. You don't have to sit here and study the MACD. You don't have to study all the different indicators trying to find out the absolute best moment to execute anything, because it really is. It's going to trade for you, and you're leaving yourself such a wide range. You don't have to worry about anything. You can set this bot, walk away, and just leave it running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's going to automatically trade for you. Now, this will give you encouragement because, like I said, you really don't know the best time to get in, and you don't know the best time to get out. So this takes care of risk control. It takes care of position management. So you don't know how much of your account you should put into this trade. You don't know how much you should put into that trade, because remember, the Grid Bot automatically evenly distributes all your capital that you put in across the grids that you choose. So in this case, it's going to evenly distribute it across 75 different grids for you, and you're going to just sit here and make profit every single time that it trades on your behalf. So this is going to really give you a good feeling as a trader, because it's going to make you a rational investor. It's going to make you a rational trader, because you are no longer sitting here driven by emotion, driven by greed. You're simply leaving it running, and it's going to buy the dips, sell the tops. And that's exactly, as a trader or an investor, exactly what you're supposed to be doing. Now, trading pair that we're going to choose for this bot is Bitcoin and versus USDT. Now, the price range is going to be $6,000 for our low and $60,000 for the high. We're going to use 75 grids, and we're going to invest at least $600 into our grid. Now, once you have all that set, simply come down here, hit create, and it is automatically going to start a bot that you can leave running long term, and you're not going to be worrying about price. You're not going to be worrying about this, that. It's going to be automatically generating profits for you. So you can look at some of these results of, leaving the bot running long term. I mean, you can, honest to God, double your investment and then hit the release profit button and take that profit out. You can start another bot. You can do whatever you want, but you can leave this bot running. That is the beauty of, Primex and their Grid Bot strategies. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these profits and take a look at, what we can achieve. So I've actually been speaking with Mario, and we came up with a contest, or we're promoting a Bitcoin grid trading bot. So the parameters that users should meet to do this trading bot is select the Bitcoin pair, price range $6,000 to $60,000. You'll need to invest $600 USDT and select 75 grids or more. And for every new user who creates any bot on Primex, and you start this bot and you keep this bot going for 30 days, you will be able to enter for a special reward. I will personally give each new user who uses my link to do this and sets their grid trading bot with these parameters and leaves it running for the 30 days, I will personally give $20 from myself and send to you. So let's look at this video. He set this up. This is him setting the parameters. You can select Bitcoin, set yourself 6,000, 60,000, 75 grids. Now you're going to come down here. You're going to select $600 at least. You can do more than that if you wish to, but the minimum for the giveaway is $600, and then simply hit create. Yes, that all looks good, so hit confirm, and this is what you're going to see. It's preserving, it's buying the Bitcoin that you need to. As soon as it's done buying, it's going to place the Bitcoin that you purchased into sell orders and buy orders. And you're simply going to be able to walk away, leave your bot running, and not worry about any crazy action because you have it set all the way down to $6,000 and all the way up to $60,000. You're just going to make passive income, and you're going to be able to leave this running for months on end. This is one that he set up yesterday, and you can tell he's already 1.73% in profit. Here's one that they created to test, and you can see that they had very wide settings from 2,000 to 20,000, and they've just left this running. Now, grid profit alone is 74.5%. So they were able to withdraw this, have their initial investment still there, and still making more profits for them. You can see the release profit button right here. Hit that, and the funds will go back to your account. This is amazing, especially if you're brand new to grid trading, brand new to, anything else. Now, they did leave this bot running for 242 days, but it did 317 transactions and doubled their money in under a year. So if you are brand new to Primex, brand new to all this, I want you to select Bitcoin, go over here to grid trading, go down, set yourself 6,000, 60,000, 75 grids, and $600. Then you'll simply come down here to hit create, and that's all the challenge is. Leave it running for 30 days. One thing I want to encourage everyone on, I appreciate every single person who uses my link and has, signed up underneath me. And I sit here and I look, and it's totally amazing, but I'm just questioning myself. I'm like, hold on, how have all these people signed up, which is totally amazing, but they've never tried grid trading bot? It simply says right here that, yeah, you've used it, or no, you haven't. And you're really missing out on what Primex was created for. These bots are built into the actual program itself, into the exchange. Now, yes, you do have a ridiculously low 0.05% trading fee. They are releasing futures market on the mobile version, soon to be on the PC, and it is amazing what all they're doing. So do I recommend you put all your apples in one basket and put all your funds into this one trade? Well, you could, or you could leave a little wiggle room in case you get bored. You can manually trade. You know, by all means, I encourage that. So I simply wanted to bring you a 30-day challenge you to set a very wide range grid trading bot on Bitcoin itself and not miss out on any of the crazy price action. Whenever Bitcoin hits $20,000 again, there's going to be people sitting there saying, man, I wish I had jumped on that deal. I wish I had bought back at $15,000. You might be asking yourself, well, is $15,000 a good price to buy in at? Well, that's what was all asking ourselves down here at $10,000. Everyone was expecting it to go back down, and you can see what happened. Now, everyone at $13,000 was asking themselves, man, is this a good time to start a grid trading bot? Is this a good time to start a grid trading bot? Every single question is, when is the perfect time to set a grid trading bot? Well, when you leave your range wide open, it really doesn't matter, because as it falls, it's going to buy, and as it goes up, it's going to sell. Here are the actual grids that I have set up. Now, that's crazy. It just looks like a bunch of green, a bunch of white. Well, let's zoom in. And those are individual orders I have placed. The green are buy orders. The red is sell orders. So as soon as Bitcoin comes up and tags that, I just made more profit. As soon as it drops down, I just bought more Bitcoin. I don't have to worry about it. I can live my life. I can enjoy myself. And eventually I'll double my money and be able to withdraw that and start another bot. So this is truly amazing. Absolute the best project that I have found. I believe in it so much that I'm willing to give away $20 to any new user who meets the requirements. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. I can't wait to talk to y'all in the Telegram group and hear about your success stories.
Thank you so much for watching. Links to everything I mentioned are in the description of my video. And I really hope to look in Telegram, see more of you talking about this, see more people participating in the Grid Bot Challenge. Especially if you're brand new, make sure to follow us in Telegram. Reach out to us. Be warned, there are scammers. Stay away from them. Anyone that messages you first is a scammer. If you need help, need an admin, simply say admin, wait for one to respond, then you message them. Stay safe, and until next time, keep the coffee hot and the trades even hotter.